Greaves 3D simulator really is the ultimate driver's rig. We've worked with all the team on board, with our designers that have got years of experience in motorsport, both as engineers, mechanics, team managers, bringing all of our knowledge from the motorsport industry, from our racing background. And we've put all that together to work with partners on establishing the best components in the market that best suit the most realistic simulator. Igus have supplied a lot of the moving technology. Precision Sim Engineering supply the steering wheels. Leo Bodner will supply the steering system itself. HPP Simulation provide the braking system.
igus have been working with Greaves 3D Engineering for 3 to 4 years. Greaves had the idea to build the ultimate driver's rig, this simulator that you see here, and igus has been involved in that. They were looking for the ultimate engineering products to make the ultimate engineering rig.
We've designed it so that it's portable. You can put it into a box, take it to a race circuit, take it to events. It's adjustable from everything from a 6-year-old to a 6'6" adult, integrating with pedal box to give you the realistic feel of a race car, with the hydraulic feedback from the brake system, direct force feedback from the steering wheel, multifunctional steering wheel like what you would see in a Formula 1 car. All that encapsulated with triple surround screens, which gives you that immersion of being in a race car and having a really good field of view.
I think back in my day, you would say racing drivers walking around the track the first time they saw the track to get to know it. Now they can just get into a simulator, they can learn the track well before they get there in the real car, and I think it shows how esports will really open these sorts of markets. I've never used a racing simulator before. It's really interesting, it's a really enjoyable experience, totally immersive. You'd really feel like you're in a proper racing car on a proper track. But not just that, it's been really interesting learning about the esports market as well, which I knew very little about, and finding yet another really interesting application for igus products.
We do an easy change where you can, it has a split lid, a bit like that. So
we have over 250 igus parts which are used in this machine. The one feature of this simulator is that it's fully adjustable. You can adjust it for any person to suit any different racing car setup and different tracks. So the pedal box is adjustable, the seats are adjustable, everything is adjustable, and they all use dried-in W systems from igus, and any moving cables are managed using igus E-chains or Triflex. And it works really well.
We have done all the hard work, research and development, so this is the best sim on the market, and it appeals to gamers, die-hard sim racers, right up to your professional race teams from Le Mans to Formula 1.
We've been really pleased with the racing rig. So a lot of praise from the students in terms of usability, the plug-and-play options. Our students support open day events, and we're planning to take it out into the community as well. So from that point of view, it really is the best option for us as an institution, university, and such great student feedback that adds to student experience. It's amazing, it's great.
The esports market has pretty much exploded in the last three years, and that's due to the pandemic and all the racers at home itching to get involved, which has got everybody, racers, teams, everybody buying racing rigs and wanting to compete against each other in all different corners of the globe.
I think esports clearly is a growing market, and it's fantastic to be able to study it. To do that sort of thing at degree level, what a career option for a young person. But also as a way of getting people into engineering as well. At a time when we desperately need these sorts of skills, what better way to incentivise young people?
So there's a lot of opportunity for our graduates to go into a booming industry full of jobs in the areas of coaching and performance, marketing, media, events and business. It's really important that they get placement experience, and what better way to gain that experience than using something like the Greaves 3D racing rig to gain some industry experience in events and out in the community that supports graduates as they move forward.
It's really exciting for us. So we've worked for many, many years with the automotive and the motorsport industries, but this is the future here, where motorsport is moving into this esports arena, and Greaves are right at the forefront of that, and we're working with them, and it's great.